Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have this puppy that just does not want to stop barking, so it's time to try one of these things out. This thing here is a stop barking device, and so we're going to give this thing a try and see if it's going to work on our doggy. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what's all in it. So let's see, so box empty. So in it we have an instruction manual and quick user card. Let's see, so here's like the quick user card, basically shows you how to use it here. So let's try this. It says fully charge it before the use, so we are going to already ignore some of these instructions. But, so inside it came with a little lanyard for it. So I guess that's gonna connect up it down here. Comes with the little charging cable, so it goes USB to, looks like USB-C to charge it. And there's the charger back there. Let's see, what's this button down here? It's probably the power button or something, or light. I don't know. And then we have the lock and unlock button on the side. So now it's unlocked. So there, the light works. So it's got a flashlight, and then it's got the button, so we can do, I don't know if the dog's gonna hear it or not. Oh my gosh, the dog heard it and did not like it. What if I do hi? Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Okay, it definitely works because the dog went running away. Dog's not barking now, but so I guess that's how it works, and it just sends out a sonic. Oh, if I point it towards myself, I hear a little click, click. So interesting. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see if it works on the little guy, but definitely worked on the big guy. They heard it, so did not like it and went running out of the room. So I'm gonna say this is kind of cool, and it's very convenient and easy. I'll put this lanyard on it and be able to carry it with us. Let me see. So this basically, I'm gonna go bring it on the other room and try it on the little doggy. Let's go try it on the one that we need it for. So let's see, are we still on? We are on. And there's the little doggies down there. And let's see what happens if I push it. See their little ears go? And if I do the loud one, you guys like it or no? They don't like it. So I'm not gonna hold it down, and I'm not gonna torture them right now because they're not barking, they're being very good. But it's gonna work because you can see their ears were twitching, and the big one, dog went running away. So this is really cool. So it's a nice little device, nice and convenient, carry it around. Okay, just a quick little update on this device. I just wanna say it works like a champion because the dog started barking and I pushed the button, and I'm not gonna push it now, but the dogs went running crazy like it's stuff. And so it was great. It got them to quiet down. They stopped barking and sat back down, came back in, and it was fine. So definitely awesome.